What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join that freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now let's jump right into it, man. Y'all seen the title, the thumbnail, all that good stuff, man. Y'all here for one reason, and it's a good reason. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I really like this pair. Now starting with the packaging on these joints, man. As you can see, this joint comes with the Maniere A logo, monogram throughout the whole entire box, man. As you can see going across the upper here, it has the A logo right side up and upside down, man. Monogram throughout the whole box. That's a really nice touch, really subtle. You can't really tell until you see it, but it is very textured. Has a Jumpman on this side and like a metallic style print. On this side of the box, it has like the navy ring on the hole. And the tag on this joint reads Women's Air Jordan 5 Retro SP. And the colorway is Photon Dust and black. Size 13.5. Like I said, this is a women's shoe. So 13.5 is a 12 in men. Personal size, man. Now getting to the inside of the box, man, it does have the Maniere logo with the full written out text with the Air Jordan 5 picture in the background with Jordan rocking them joints, man. I always like how they add the picture of the shoe on the inside with their own touch and like that little kind of like polka dot style printout, man. Really dope there. Not textured, just a smooth printout on there. Get to the inside of the box, they have their signature Maniere A logo. Paper that they use on pretty much all of their Jordan collabs. Now let's get into the shoes, man. Now here we have the Maniere Air Jordan 5 in the Dawn colorway. And right off the rip, man, the materials are nice. Really nice colorway. I already knew that from the pictures. But the materials kind of surprised me on this one, man. I thought it would be like a smooth leather. Let's check these joints out, man, and see if you like them. Let's check out these details. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, these joints comes laced in their Photon Dust colorway all throughout the upper. And I initially thought it would be like a white or light gray leather, but this is actually a low, like nubuck suede type of material. Really soft, really sensitive, but it looks really good. I thought it would be smooth leather, but it's not, man. Getting to the side of the shoe, it still has that Photon Dust going all the way around the side. And the caging on the Air Jordan 5, instead of the regular grid that they use, they went with the Maniere A logo, just like they used on the box and on the paper, with the A right side up and upside down, man. Super dope there. And they also aged that joint as well. In true Jordan 5 fashion, they added the 23 in like a bubble style print. And they also had the Nike Air on the back, and this is a raised text as well, you can see from the side. It's a really nice raised 3D embroidered text right there in that diffused blue colorway. Now getting to the inside of the shoe, just the same as the outside, has that photon gray going all the way across. Has the Maniere logos inside of that cage, man. That's like my favorite touch on this shoe. Just them adding that extra detail. It really looks good on these joints. And getting back to the front, man, it does have the photon gray on the laces. It has the Maniere A logos going throughout the tongue as well with that caging. It has like the aged Jordan 5 lace lock. And his left shoe has the Maniere A on the tongue with the classic 3M in true Jordan 5 fashion. Now getting to the midsole on these joints, it's an all black midsole with the blue shark teeth. And the outsole is aged as well, and it does have the Jumpman going across the bottom of the shoe in the forefront. True Jordan 5 fashion, like I said before, man. They really hit this joint some really good details, man. I like the Jordan 5, it's like one of my favorite models. And this is a really dope colorway for sure. Now on the inside of this shoe, they do have the Maniere tag. And on the inside of the tongue, they also have the Maniere embroidered throughout the whole interior of the shoe. All of this blue has the Maniere A logos embroidered throughout the whole sock liner and throughout the tongue as well, man. Really dope details there. And I even with the extra mile, I added the Nike Air on the insole, but it's embroidered on these joints, man, and not ironed on like most sneaker releases that we get these days, man. Really nice touch there as well. Now getting into that right shoe, man, just the same as the left, it does come in that photon gray upper going all the way across, and that nice soft like nubuck material. Really sensitive material as well, man. So you're gonna want to hit these joints with your water repellent just to protect these joints, man. Really sensitive, but it's really nice though. I can't even lie. Like I said earlier, man, I thought it was gonna be leather, but this is definitely like a low nubuck or like a low suede. Really nice touch there. Same cage here with the Maniere A's. 23 hit right here on the outside of the heel. Nike Air on the back of this joint, and there's some nice 3D embroidery. Same thing on the inside with the photon gray. And with the Maniere A logos going throughout the cage as well. Now on the outsole of this shoe, it does have the Maniere A logo. I love that they always try to just add their logo in there. I wish they would have did that on the 3s and 4s and threw the Maniere A logo on the back of the heel tab, but I always mention that, but it's all good. It's all good. We didn't get it. It is what it is. These 5s got it, and these joints are nice. Now, on the tongue of this joint, it does have the Jumpman, and it still has a 3M. And on the inside of the tongue here, it does have the Michael Jordan signature, man. Really nice touch there. Now, as far as extras, man, these joints come factory laced with the photon gray laces, but it did come with an extra set of cell laces, which is my favorite, and a set of pure white laces as well, which really looks good in this shoe. But if I had to pick, I would definitely go with the cell laces, man, just to make the cell and the aged accents pop on this joint. The white looks good as well, but if you ask me personally, I would throw the cell in these joints, man. They really pops with that lace lock as well, man. It's a really good looking shoe, not gonna lie to you. Really good looking shoe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you feeling about these joints so far. Now, I was able to hit these joints for retail through the Discord raffle. It was like $225 plus tax plus shipping, so it ended up being like $265 out the door, man. Really expensive shoe, I'm not gonna lie to you. Really expensive shoe. Now, as far as like resale prices, size 10 and men and up are going for like $280 to $300, maybe like $320 in that like size 14, but nothing too crazy. Everything under is going for like $275. Now, I mentioned I got these through the Discord raffle, so I got these straight through Maniere. But a lot of stores did release these joints today, man. A lot of your premium goods, your local boutiques, your mom and pops, Better Generation, Active Athlete, everyone kind of got their hands on these locally. And as far as like your bigger spots, your Undefeateds, Extra Butters, and things like that, they all got these joints as well. And I thought the black pair would get the same treatment, but the black pair seems to be an Maniere exclusive for now. I struck out on those, man. I really need them, so hopefully they drop on Nike or their price comes down just a little bit, man. The black metallic 5 is my favorite, well, second favorite shoe behind the Bread 1. So I got all iterations of the black metallic 5. I got the off-whites. I got like 3 years of black metallic 5s of regular releases, man. So I need that one a lot, but hopefully I can grab those. But if not, I'm good with these for now, man. These joints are super clean, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about them. Now, as far as quality and quality control, as I mentioned earlier, man, some really nice material going across this upper, but definitely super sensitive, man. You're not gonna wanna wear these joints in the rain. People always talking about wear your shoes, wear your shoes. You can wear them, man, but it's still okay to not get your shoes dirty. It's okay not to want to beat your shoes up, bro. Don't let these people gas y'all up with that wear your shoes. Wear them, but I'm gonna keep mine clean. But one thing about wearing these joints, man, they come with a pre-aged outsole, so you definitely can get some wears out of these joints without being too sensitive about walking around in these joints, man. That's one thing I kind of don't like about Jordan 5s is like the clear outsole. I love the way it looks, hate the way they age, man. The pre-age on these just kind of gives you that incentive to go ahead and wear them, man. They already aged. You're not really gonna mess anything up by wearing the joints on the outsole of the shoe. But as far as quality control, man, I don't really see any flaws. You do kind of get some wrinkling, but it's like a soft material. You'll get that around the toe box every now and then when you're getting these good quality shoes. But other than that, man, no missing stitches, no hanging stitches, no errors, no misplaced accessories or anything like that, man. Really good shoe. Maniere always pretty much does a good job with their shoes, besides that white pair of Jordan 12s where the maroon ink was kind of bleeding onto the white leather. Other than that, man, they don't really mess with quality or quality control, man. This is a really nice one, man. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feeling about these joints. But overall, man, it just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing review of this Maniere Air Jordan 5 in the Dawn colorway, man. These joints are super clean. Let me know which one was your favorite out of the Dawn and the Dust pair. This is the white pair of the Dawn. The Dust pair is like the black pair. Let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know if you copped these joints. If so, where from, man? Did you hit on sneakers this morning? Were you able to hit at your local boutiques? Did you hit through Maniere, the raffle, the in-store raffle, or the Discord? Just leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you copped. Let me know if you keeping them. Let me know if it's a cop, drop, you dripping, flipping, skipping, man. Leave a comment down below. And just let me hear your honest opinion on these joints, bro. If you're asking me, super fire, bro. They couldn't have done better with these two colorways. The black is definitely better, but this is a good one. Not gonna lie to you, this is a really good one. But like I said, man, it's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Maniere 5s, man, in the Dawn colorway. Peace.